Hi guys, Sachin here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the best program that you can join if you are a complete newbie in affiliate marketing. So this is going to be the best program in my recommendation to join for free. If you're a newbie and if you want to get started in affiliate marketing, this could be a really helpful program. So in this program I'm going to be sharing with you the features of this system and how it can help you generate some affiliate commissions over the period of time if you take serious action. Okay, so let's get started. So the name of the program is Rapid Profit Machine by James Neville Taylor. This is a program has been there for like 2 to 3 years over here. Now, what does this program offer is the basic of affiliate marketing is to build an email list and to promote affiliate products through sending out emails on daily basis, on weekly basis. So in this program, what James is giving you is a completely done for you setup. So you don't need to have your own website. You don't need to have your own domain with hosting, that kind of thing. Everything is set up. You have your squeeze page, you have your thank you page, and you have your high converting offer to promote within high converting upsells. All right, so let me show you something in this Rapid Profit Machine program. So here, introduction over here, and you can get started for free. There is no cost to join. I'm going to be putting the link in the description, the first line. You can check it out. You can join for free today. You can start learning about affiliate marketing, and then if you feel like, okay, this is going to help me, of course you can join with a membership fee like an email autoresponder, because email autoresponder by default is needed to send out emails in affiliate marketing. Okay, because you need to have a software. If you're going for the free software, not sure how much is the email is going to land in the inbox of your subscribers. But top of that, what these guys are giving you is, with this autoresponder, they're going to be also giving you an affiliate program that you can generate affiliate commissions even on that autoresponder also. So if you refer somebody, you're going to be getting paid from that person autoresponder fee. Top of that, if that somebody refers any other person, you're going to be getting on that commission from the second tier also. That is absolutely crazy. Okay, I'm going to be giving you an example of this in the later of this video. First, let me show you what you're getting. So basically in affiliate marketing, you need to have your website and you need to get traffic. Okay, now websites, you need to capture email address. For that, these guys are going to be giving you a lead funnel. So your funnels are over here, and they're going to be giving you all this kind of stuff. You can see where they are going to be giving you all this squeeze page completely done for you. You don't need to do anything except just promoting it. Okay, that's it. So let me show you some of the squeeze page. This is one of the squeeze page which you can use for Google AdWords or Facebook, because it has got a lot of content over here, all that kind of legal stuff also here. Now if you want to use just a normal squeeze page, you can do this kind of squeeze page. And when somebody enters the email address over here, let me just put in my email address over here, and when I click on continue, it's going to take me to the sales page of this offer. So that is really great way to do affiliate marketing. So in this process, everything is set up. You don't need to do anything over here. Okay, this is just crazy for those people who are just getting started in affiliate marketing. And this is basically the sales page of the Rapid Profit Machine. Okay, the sales page, and this is something that you can get started for free. So when you offer something of high value for free, people are going to be jumping on it. Okay, now when they join it through this free system, they're going to be getting access to this members area, and in this members area, they're going to be getting this all squeeze page done for you. How to set up your affiliate marketing networks. So I'm going to be showing you that thing. So if you go to the home page, there are a couple of steps over here which you need to complete. So here it's an introduction video. then you need to put in your affiliate information over here, where you can, if you are on the Warrior Plus account, you can put your account ID over here. Account ID is going to be in the account section in Warrior Plus. It is shown over here. It's not that hard. Once you connect it with your Warrior Plus, it's going to take you to this done for you automation, where you're going to be getting a chance to join this autoresponder, which is called Builderall, and this an awesome autoresponder over here, which is having 14-day free trial. Okay, now if you want to join, you can get started for like $17.90. That's close to $18 per month, and you're going to be getting 1 domain, 3 subdomain, 2000 lead space. But here what it gets really best is if you upgrade to the marketer plan or any other plan, the leads you're going to be getting is unlimited. Nowhere in the email marketing or affiliate marketing space autoresponder which are offering this kind of offer. If you have 10,000 or 20,000 or 25,000 subscribers less, a Weber GetResponse are going to be charging you $150 or more than that. Okay, but with this autoresponder, which is Builderall, you're going to be getting unlimited subscribers with this higher plan. Okay, that is great. Top of that, they're going to be offering an affiliate program. So if somebody you refer and he joins under you, you're going to be getting 30% of that income. Okay, so if somebody joins for this $17 plan, it's going to be like $5 for that particular person. But that particular person, if you refer somebody, that person would also get $5. Top of that, you would also get $5. That is, you're going to be getting commissions on the second tier also, which is freaking awesome. Okay, so here we in this Builderall affiliate program. So let's say in 1 year you refer like, let's say, least 10 people. Okay, so this is the estimated monthly income that you can earn. This is a recurring income. That is one sale you have done in a month, and autoresponder is something which people need for their online business. So you're going to be getting money month after month. Okay, so this is a recurring income. Now let's choose you refer some affiliates. Let's say at least 5 affiliates, and let's say how many sales out of those 5 can make is 2. Let's say 2. So even if you are performing absolutely least, you're going to be still making $474 per month with this affiliate program. Let's just get numbers really right, and you do 10 affiliates and they get you 10 sales. So that is how your income grows, and this is residual income. The RPM, the rapid profit machine income, is totally different, and this is another income stream. Okay, this is $2,610 per month coming to you month after month without you doing anything. All right, now inside of this, once your Builderall is set up, then they have got offer to buy some fresh traffic, and you can not find any better traffic than James Neville Trailer. The pricing is a bit high, but inside the system you can buy this traffic. Okay, and this is high converting traffic from Google Ad Networks. Okay, so this is going to be coming from James' personal list, his ad networks, and this is going to be the highest quality traffic. Now just it's a logical thing that if James is providing you traffic, he would definitely want you to make money, because if you make money, he will also make money. Okay, that is a great thing. So this is also done with the squeeze page over here. They're going to be following up for 30 days. The emails are going to be loaded into your Builderall email autoresponder, and you have got 30-day email follow-up loaded over here, so you don't have to do anything. But if you want to send some broadcast, of course you can set it. Okay, another thing which I want to show you is the offer. Okay, so this is basically the offer which you're going to be getting approved. So a lot of people, when they get started to affiliate marketing, they don't get approved to promote a high converting offer. So this is offer which you're going to be getting approved. 60% conversion is happening over here. And look at this, when you join for free, then you're going to be offered with a lot of different things. And when you promote this, you're giving high quality stuff for free. Okay. And when somebody buys from you, you can see how deep this funnel is. Inside this, once you join for free, the first is a $0 sale, and then this is RPM sign up for $0. Then they're going to be taken to a traffic source upsell, which is the first upsell for $7. If they don't buy, it's going to be taken to $4. If they don't buy, they're going to be taken to $1 offer. Okay, so this is how they are just making sure that you make a lot of money using this high converting funnel. All right, so that is another second upsell is going to be like RPM Pro, where you're going to be able to get 50% commission instead of 25%. So this is going to make a lot of difference, my friend. So where you're getting $250, you're going to be getting $400 for that sale. Okay, that is a huge difference. Okay, and then a lot of products are there that going to be added into an email autoresponder sequence. So in my opinion, this is probably the best program to get started over here. There is a training over here which I highly recommend, my friend. Please go through the training. A lot of people think like, if I'm getting something for free, I don't want to invest my time. Trust me, this is something as valuable as you can expect, my friend. Go through this training. You should be able to understand how the system works. Also, they have got a huge Facebook community. So join that group, and you're going to be able to see the people just like you, me, who are helping each other to make some good amount of income on a long-term basis. Okay, so here, what is affiliate marketing, benefits of affiliate marketing, then mindset training, rapid traffic training, solo ad success. This is absolutely valuable information that you're going to be getting absolutely for free. Absolutely free. With the first upsell, they're going to be giving you to top solo ad providers, and I cannot open this because it is only for those people who have bought this, so I can't be that much bad to those people who have already bought it. This is again high quality traffic sources information over here. Then the benefit of RPM Pro members and all this upsell information here. So in my opinion, if you want to get a done for you system, which is a really high converting, and setup is of course done for you. Every single squeeze page is done for you. You don't need to have website hosting, any that kind of thing. Get in with the Rapid Profit Machine. The link is in the description. And when you join, make sure to reach out to me on Facebook and send me a message. I will try to help you as much as possible to get you some good tips on how to grow your team. All right, so that was my best recommendation to get started in affiliate marketing. This is probably the best program to get started in affiliate marketing program in this year and coming years for more. So if you have any questions about this Rapid Profit Machine, feel free to comment below. I'm going to be answering that. For now, that's it. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.